Alright, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Farhan bin Adwa from JBA 115C. Today I want to present to you all about individual presentation and resume on the subject Human Resource Management 340. Alright, we go to answer number 1. As a university student, what can I do after my graduate so the company can take I as one of its workers? My answer first is we must have a good resume and nice resume. Everyone knows what a resume is. For those who do not know its function, this resume contains information on educational background, work experience, skill and relationship to contact if the company apply is interested in hiring me as an employee. Therefore, I will make sure that the resume produced must be complete with concise information, but at the same time, do not overdo it until the interviewer get tired of reading it. For the second answer is portfolio. If I have involved any competition project, I can collect in the form of the portfolio. If any produce is very interesting, get anything my employer needs to be more excited about my talent and abilities. Perhaps with this portfolio, my chance of being offered a job higher than other candidates. For example, if I am a writer, I will include links to the article in magazine that can be published. For the next answer, job search account. I must fill out a job search account on a reputable job search website. This must be done because the majority of employees now do not use outdated methods if they want to advertise everything through online platform only. Employers will look at the profile and all job site they list to find prospective employees. Third answer is potential employers and do some research for the company. While waiting for the interview call, I will check the list of companies that I have the potential to call me to their interview. I will take a time to the research of the company. While business is run, the potential of their business in the future and how I as an employer can help future develop the company. This preparation is important if I succeed in being called if interview because the question is an question that the interviewer must ask. They want to see how much I know about the industry they are involved in. My contribution will be in the future. So I will make a throughout preparation. And the last but not least is network. If I have a friend who are already working, I will not be ashamed to ask any vacancies in their company. If I keep quiet, my friend will not even think of getting of opportunity for me. So this network is very important because it is necessary if I graduate soon. Do not break out with other university friends. This is because they will probably help you. Alright, we move to the question number 2. How I differentiate myself to the other fresh graduate. What I think, strength and weakness. How I overcome my weakness. For my answer note first is show that I am a leader. Show that after a trained and more capable, my hand do not have to be held by every little task, and I am able to lead others. Employees value candidates who are independent and able to move forward. This show that I have a lot of motivation. Second is show that I can solve the problem. Even the best job will face problem that rise. The ability to solve this problem correctly, efficiency, make a great employee. Sure, there will be some problem that I have to bring to my supervisor, but I will definitely show the hiring manager that I am the real problem solver. Third is I will demonstrate strong work ethic skill. Often employing prefer to the have candidates who need more training but have a great work ethic than candidates who have a bad work ethic, no matter how little training needed, no matter well the candidate knows the difficult skill required for the position. My weakness have two type. First, if difficult to accept one own mistake. Second is cannot accept reprimand from others. So we move to how can I overcome my weakness. Firstly, recognize mistake and self in perspective. To find out where my errors lie, search for all visible error. Try to find fault with yourself. Think about why me made a mistake and why until me decide to make a mistake. Analyze if I want to identify weakness in myself, introspect. Second is open to criticism. I really need to know my weakness. Prepare mentally to listen to difficult about yourself. Listen to their response. Listen carefully to their response. Lastly, I need to self-motivation for myself. Instill in me that I can be a better person. I will think positively about anything, including about myself. Make past failures and mistakes as a learning to achieve. Life is a learning. I will never stop studying until I have reached the ultimate goal of my life, which is that I must have a spirit and motivation to improve myself. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame.